So here we are back again with another case video for the Pixel Fold. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So big shout out to Caseology for sending me over the Parallax case for the Pixel Fold. The Parallax case is a case that has been featured on many a video on many different phones. So yeah, this is pretty cool. So here we are, Parallax case. And I'll be honest, it's not really anything too dissimilar to what you've seen on the channel before. It is quite a stiff TPU, and this is a hardened plastic, and that's just your front frame for the phone. So yeah, pretty straightforward guys, there's not much to uncover there. So let's just stick that on. So the front piece just clips on like that. Excuse my fingerprints, they are absolutely everywhere. And that bit just clips on there as well. Whoa, I've just turned on the torch. And there we have it. There is the Parallax case for the Pixel Fold. So it's thick enough around the edges of the phone, so you will get a fair bit of protection there. As you can see, the buttons are exposed on the side. They kind of need to be for the fingerprint reader on the power button. Volume buttons there as well. We have cutouts there for the speaker and the microphone in the top, and same again on the bottom. Then we have our USB-C cutout, our speaker cutouts, and our microphone cutout. So it does add a bit of thickness to it. It does give you good protection up around the frame of the phone. The hinge is exposed on the back, but that's the trade-off you get with foldables, I'm afraid. So there's not much can be done about that. If you cover up that hinge, you're going to cause problems having a phone opening and closing. So it is what it is. So as you can see, the lip on the phone, it comes up over the display. So if you do set it down flat, you're not going to mark up that display. And same goes for the camera bump. You can see there that the camera bar is pretty much flush, so you get a little bit of protection there, but it is what it is. It is quite exposed there when you look at the camera bar. Yeah, it's not an expensive case, and it is one of the cheapest options out there for the Pixel Fold, and Caseology have always got great quality cases. So if you do want a good front screen protection for your Pixel Fold, as well as that nice design, all well and good. Now this case isn't MagSafe, so there'll be no MagSafe charging or anything like that there, but that's not really what you're getting with this case. This is it's one of the cheapest cases you can get, and it'll give you a good amount of protection. So if you have used the Parallax in any other phone, like the Samsungs or the other Pixels, you know what you're getting with it. It's a decent case. What do you guys think? Is this going to be your case for your Pixel Fold? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I will leave you a link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up. Affiliate links help support the channel, but don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick one up, thanks for your support. That about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked with the channel. I've got more Pixel Fold content coming, and I'll have more case videos coming for you as well, so keep it locked. And if you are looking for more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.